Hey, my beautiful people. Today we are going to talk about a style that is so regal and stunning. The Shuku hairstyle, also known as the braided ponytail. In Yoruba culture, Shuku refers to a basket, and you can see why. It is a beautiful braided updo where every line leads right to the crown of your head. The secret to a sharp Shuku hairstyle is all about the pattern. You start by finding your anchor point at the very top of your head. From there, create a clean pie-shaped sections radiating all the way around. Keeping those line creeps is what gives this look that high fashion finish. As you braid each section upward, keep your tension consistent but gentle, especially around the edges. If you are adding extensions, feed them in gradually so the braid stays slim at the nape and gets slightly thicker as it reaches the top. Once they all meet at the peak, secure them firmly. Now, the secret to a long-lasting hairstyle is how you maintain them. To keep this hairstyle looking fresh for weeks, always sleep in a silk or satin scarf to keep the braids from freezing. For your scalp, use a light oil or a pointed tip applicator to keep it hydrated without causing buildup. If you see flyaways, a tiny bit of mousse and a wrap strip for 10 minutes will lay everything back. This hairstyle is elegant, high fashion, and it is beautiful. Give it a try and you will thank me later. If you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle inspirations and ideas. Thank you for joining us, and I will see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyles.